Okay, on this one, what we're looking at is, say we had a graph that started down here. Let's say this point right here, I'm just showing you the point, is 0, -4. Okay? Now, let's say we were saying, all right, find the transformation if h of x equals f of x minus 2. Now, it would go from -4, I would subtract 2 more, down to -6. In other words, this would move down to -6, and it would now be going through -6 because that -2 shifts it down that much. Okay, let's look and see what it would be like if I had that same transformation that's going through -4 right there, y equals -4. Let's see what would happen if I said, all right, find if k of x equals -f of x. What would the new coordinates be? Well, what would -4 be right there? It would change that to what? It would change it to a +4, so my new coordinates would be 0, 4. This negative sign right here would flip that over, make it be a reflection, and it goes to +4. So the main thing you should draw from this is remember that when I have, say, g of x equals f of x minus 6, on the outside, and this is, consider this your parentheses, on the outside of the parentheses it shifts it down that many units if it was negative, up if it was a positive. The other thing is, say I've got g of x equals -h of x. What that actually does is it causes it to flip. So if I had a graph that looked like that, it would flip over and look like this, and it would go through the positive point. Another thing, if you ever have, say, a parabola, and we talked about pluses and minuses inside the parentheses, what it does to it. Well, if I have y equals -x squared, what that does to that is it flips it over. It gives the reflection of it. That's what the negative sign makes it do.